Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to create agent with the help of PydanticAI. Okay, this is kind of a small project. Okay, if you are fresher, then it will also help you to understand PydanticAI with agents. Okay, I'm going to share my screen that we can understand everything. What I'm going to do here. Okay, so first thing you can see here. I'm just going to close this. Actually, guys, I have already finished this one. Week one foundation, week two, week three, week five, week four also I have completed week five and week six. Now I am going to create agents. Okay, in week six, and now we will have week seven, eight. In a week eight, I have projects. Okay, then you can see here we finished this Pydantic AI. Okay, and now you can see here I have env file this one. I'm going to use Groq API key here, that is free. If you don't have account on Groq, you can go and check there and create your own API keys and put here. Okay, get the API key from Groq and keep it into a .env file. .env, not .env example. Okay, I'm just giving name for example. Okay, and this is the fake API keys. So don't use this. You can use your own API keys. Okay, you can take it by using Groq API key. I'm going to close this. Okay. Hi Santosh. So now you can see here beginner multi-agent app with Pydantic plus Groq. Okay, so this notebook show a multi-agent workflow using Pydantic AI, Groq API, and multiple agents. .env file for env key loading. An AI agent. I mean, what is an AI agent? AI agent and a AI. I mean, AI agent is a AI assistant that designed for a specific task. ठीक है, so like if you have multiple agents. Okay, for example, research agent means gathering the information and writer agent means create the final response. Okay guys, so agent क्या है? agent वो होता है जो एक स्पेसिफिक टास्क के लिए बनाया जाता है और वो ऑटोमेटिकली उस टास्क को फॉलो करता है और करता है, ठीक है, कंप्लीट करता है. तो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज these two agents. First is research agent and second is writer agent. Research agent is used for gathering the information, ठीक है. Research agent क्या करेगा? About the information, it is going to do the research. Okay, then writer agent is used for writing the final response. Okay, and you can see here requirement. I'm going to install this Pydantic AI. Okay, and python-dotenv. I already installed this. I'm not going to install this. Okay, so you can install this if you don't install it. Okay, I already show you in the beginning of this course. Okay, so I already create this env file. Okay, you can put their API key like here. Okay, or if you don't have any API key, you can get from here by Groq. Okay, if you want to use Groq API key, then I need to import this API key from env to here. Okay, so I use .env for the load env. Load the API key from the env file. Okay, with the help of these things. And here you can see I have this variable name Groq API underscore key. Here I use os.get Groq API key. This is the variable name that I mentioned here. Okay, and if API key is present in the env file, then it will print the Groq API key is loaded. Otherwise, it will print Groq API key is not found. Okay, and here you can see it is here I'm going to import Pydantic AI. Okay, from Pydantic underscore AI import agents. Okay, I'm going to create the first research agent. This agent gather the short research node. Okay, so ये agent क्या करेगा? Research करेगा. So I already have code. There is no need to write the code. Actually, I have already explained these kind of things multiple time. Okay, I'm not going to write everything again and again. Okay, so this is our writer agent. This is our writer underscore agent. I'm passing here agent. I'm going to use here agent. Inside this, I provide the model, and I'm going to use this model llama hyphen 3.3 hyphen 570 billion parameter and versatile. This is the model name I'm going to use here. Okay, and this is the writer agent. So with the help of model, writer agent get the like writer agent have a AI brain now because I pass here model name, okay, and I giving here system prompt. In system prompt, I say that to this agent, you are an AI, you are you are a helpful writer, okay. Turn note into a simple beginner friendly explanation, okay, and print the writer agent ready. So guys, हमने एक यहाँ पर राइटर एजेंट बनाया, उसमें हमने एलएलएम दिया, सॉरी मॉडल का नाम दिया, तो इसकी वजह से वो एक एआई ब्रांड मतलब एक ब्रांड बन गया, ओके, एआई की तरह वो सोचेगा। और यहाँ पर हमने एक सिस्टम प्रॉम्प्ट दिया और प्रिंट करवाया, एजेंट इज रेडी। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू क्रिएट द राइटर एजेंट। राइटर एजेंट कन्वर्ट द रिसर्च, दिस रिसर्च, okay, this research into the clean final answer, okay. So I also have the code for research. This one is for research, okay. So you can see here code for research. This is another agent, research underscore agent. I pass here here I use agent, and here I also pass the model name, okay. ना इसके पास भी हमारे इस एजेंट के पास भी एआई ब्रेन हो गया, ठीक है, एआई का यूज करके तुम्हें आंसर देगा, ओके। सो हियर यू कैन सी वी हैव सिस्टम प्रॉम्प्ट, यू आर अ रिसर्च असिस्टेंट, okay, give us short and beginner friendly research notes and print the research agent ready, okay. And then multi agent workflow, I'm going to use this one. In multi agent workflow, so guys, multi-agent workflow, the research agent work first, okay? Then the writer agent use the research result. ठीक है? So research agent work first, then writer agent use the research result, okay. I'm going to ask what is the artificial intelligence in topic, so what is the artificial intelligence, okay. And here I have created one function, async def man, okay, this is for run the whole things, okay. So here you can see research agent is running here, okay. First thing, we need to run research agent, okay. Research agent doing research base thing, okay. So research agent equals to, I use await research agent, this one is a research agent, okay, this one I use this one, dot run, okay. तो यहाँ पर रिसर्च एजेंट रन हो रहा है और आई एम गिविंग हियर वन क्वेरी, गिव मी द 5 short bullet point about the topic, okay. What is the topic, what is the artificial intelligence, okay. And then it is going to print research notes and print the research result dot output, okay. Now after this writer, you can see here final result, we got fine, we get the final result with the help of writer, okay. So here I also use await and writer agent. So this is our writer agent, where is it, this one, writer agent, okay. So writer agent dot run, and here you can see this is a prompt using these research note, okay. So I'm saying to writer agent ki use this research notes, okay, and the research notes equals to this one, research result dot output. ये जो हमें मिला research underscore result dot output, we are going to use here in writer. Writer is going to use here and write the explanation for the beginner, okay. So first thing, research is doing research, okay, with the help of research agent, and then writer is using here output of research agent, this one, and write a simple explanation for beginner, okay. And here you can see print the final answer, and here print the final answer, final result dot output, okay. And run everything with the help of this function await man. So I'm going to call this function here, I'm going to run this. Okay, guys, so you can see here I got the response here, research notes. So research note, research agent give me the answer. You can see here I have research note, this one, research underscore result dot output. So you can see here, this is the output. Here are 5 bullet points. You can see here, what is the topic? Give me the 5 short bullet points about the topic. So these are the 5 bullet points. What are the 5 short bullet point about the artificial intelligence? Okay, so these are the 5 short bullet point. Okay, artificial intelligence refer to the development of computer system. Blah blah blah. Okay, I'm not going to read everything. Okay, so after this, I got the result for the final output. So this is our final output. Okay, after research, writer is going to write here. What is the artificial intelligence? Artificial, actually, I give here, write the simple explanation for the weakness. Okay, what is the artificial intelligence? About this, it is giving us simple, simple explanation here. Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, it is a way to make the computer think and work like human. Okay, guys, so this is the answer. I hope you got it. Kaise, how can we create the agents? Okay, guys. So it is not like a rocket science. We have first agent research and second agent. Research is doing research and writer is doing writing work. Okay, and writer take the output of research agent, and writer generate the final answer. That's it, nothing else. Okay, I'm going to stop this, guys. I'm going to upload everything, this code on a GitHub. If you have any doubt, you can go and check there. You can check my GitHub file also.